Hello, Dominic Monstrol here with MODION ion pumps. What we're going to do today is talk a little bit about on how to disassemble the half liter per second modular ion pump system. First things first, we're going to disconnect that input power. Second step is to loosen the 3 set screws to take off the power supply. Power supply will pull right out. Set that off to the side. Your next step is to take off the magnet yokes as well as the magnets. Make sure that you set them a little bit of a distance away from each other so that they don't clash together. And your half liter modular ion pump system is ready for bake out.